Welcome to Wheels and Wings, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, specifications, and automotive insights. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Toyota Fortuner, a rugged and reliable SUV known for its powerful performance, durability, and off-road capabilities. Whether you're considering buying one or simply want to know more about this popular SUV, this review will cover everything from specs to key features. The Toyota Fortuner is built on the reliable IMV platform, sharing its foundation with the Helix, which gives it excellent durability and off-road capabilities. It is available with both petrol and diesel engine options, with the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine being the most popular choice. This engine delivers around 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, providing a strong and capable driving experience. The petrol variant, powered by a 2.7-liter engine, offers decent performance for those who prioritize smooth city driving over off-road power. Both engine options are paired with a 6-speed automatic or manual transmission, giving drivers flexibility based on their driving preferences. One of the biggest highlights of the Fortuner is its imposing road presence. With its bold front grille, LED headlamps, and muscular design, it commands attention wherever it goes. The high ground clearance and strong body structure make it ideal for tackling rough terrain, while the four-wheel drive system ensures stability and control on challenging surfaces. The Fortuner's suspension setup is tuned for both comfort and performance, providing a smooth ride on highways and excellent control in off-road conditions. Inside, the Toyota Fortuner offers a premium and spacious cabin with high-quality materials and modern technology. The leather-upholstered seats, large touchscreen infotainment system, and multi-zone climate control enhance the overall driving experience. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system ensure entertainment and connectivity on long journeys. The second and third row seats provide ample space for passengers, making the Fortuner a great choice for families and adventure seekers alike. In terms of safety, the Fortuner is equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including vehicle stability control, hill assist, ABS with EBD, multiple airbags, and parking sensors. Higher trims also offer adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera for added convenience and security. These safety features make it a reliable choice for both urban and off-road adventures. With its powerful engine options, rugged design, feature-rich interior, and advanced safety systems, the Toyota Fortuner continues to be one of the best-selling SUVs in its segment. It perfectly balances luxury, practicality, and performance, making it a preferred choice for those who need a tough and reliable SUV. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Wheels and Wings for more in-depth car reviews, specs breakdowns, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Stay tuned for more exciting content.